If you love cooking or just want to make your time in the kitchen easier, you're gonna love these. Today, we're checking out 30 Amazon cooking gadgets that are selling like crazy. And once you see them, you'll know why. From time-saving tools to genius kitchen hacks, these gadgets will change how you cook. Let's get started with the first gadget, the Excel Steel Egg Poacher. Whether you're whipping up Eggs Benedict, a toasted English ham muffin, or a quick morning snack, this egg poacher makes breakfast preparation a breeze. After enjoying a delicious meal, cleaning up is effortless thanks to the included non-stick egg cups. Besides its primary function, the poacher doubles as a regular cooking pan. This feature allows you to be efficient and versatile in the kitchen, preparing a wider variety of meals without requiring an additional pan. Next is the spoofy Gothic kitchen scissors. Their versatility shines through in their multiple uses, from cutting herbs to opening bottles and even cracking nuts. The detachable design ensures that cleaning is straightforward as the scissors easily come apart. These bat-shaped scissors are not just a Halloween novelty. They are precision cutting tools with thick blades that cater to all your kitchen needs. The vibrant red and black design not only catches the eye, but also complements any kitchen decor. Next, meet the Bamboo Flux cutting board. On one side, a high-quality 304 stainless steel surface is perfect for handling meats and fish, ensuring no stains or odors are left behind. The other side showcases beautifully crafted bamboo, ideal for slicing vegetables, fruits, cheeses, and bread. Its stainless steel handle and deep juice grooves are thoughtfully designed to prevent spills and maintain a clean kitchen environment. This cutting board is not only a healthier option due to its use of organic bamboo and non-porous stainless steel, but it is also knife-friendly, preserving the sharpness of your kitchen tools. Moving on to the Crudo 15-piece kitchen knife set. It includes steak knives, a bread knife, a chef's knife, a slicing knife, a santoku knife, a utility knife, a paring knife, and kitchen scissors, all stored in a sturdy knife block complete with a built-in sharpener. The ergonomic, non-slip handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue even during extended use. The set is designed for easy cleaning with warm, soapy water, and the knife block ensures safe storage, protecting the blades and extending their lifespan. At number 5, we have the Cook a Future cheese grater. Whether it's cheese, lemon zest, ginger, chocolate, or nutmeg, this grater set covers it all, speeding up food prep while ensuring consistent results. The grater includes an airtight storage container that attaches to the base for mess-free grating and easy storage in the fridge. The grater features razor-sharp stainless steel blades, offering 3 different grating options: fine shred, heart-shaped coarse, and ribbon. Durability is key, as the materials used promise long-lasting functionality. The compact design ensures that cheese and other grated items are neatly collected, keeping your workspace clean. Up next is the Aeon 6-quart stainless steel stock pot. The multi-purpose basket included with the pot extends its functionality, making it perfect for frying, washing fruits and vegetables, straining liquids, or serving dishes. Practical measurement markings inside the pot, along with a glass lid featuring a steam vent, allow for easy monitoring and efficient heat and flavor sealing. Ergonomically designed stainless steel handles provide a comfortable and cool grip, enhancing user safety and satisfaction. Next is the Shocksil Pancake Batter Dispenser. It comes with a complete package that includes 1 pancake dispenser for the batter, a sturdy stand, a grip handle, and 4 silicone funnels of varying calibers to facilitate a range of dispensing needs. The dispenser itself has a 0.75-inch spout and a capacity of 2.5 cups or 0.6 liters, making it perfect for precise pouring. Its design ensures no wastage, as it allows users to control the flow of liquids accurately, making it ideal for most batters. Next, meet the Changbert Portable Induction Cooktop. Offering 9 preset power levels ranging from 200 to 1800 watts and 18 preset temperature settings from 120 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, this induction cooktop provides rapid heat up and faster cooking times compared to traditional gas or electric stoves. The cooktop's consistently stable high-power output is built for continuous use, featuring advanced circuitry that supports non-stop cooking. The smooth glass surface heats up quickly, offering precise and efficient cooking experiences. Up next is the Spring Chef Premium Swivel Vegetable Peeler, which takes the hassle out of peeling fruits and vegetables. Its dual stainless steel blades are engineered to stay ultra-sharp, easily gliding along produce surfaces to remove skins effortlessly, as if they were melted butter. This peeler is designed to save time and reduce waste by removing just the right amount of skin without gouging your fruits or vegetables. Its smooth glide technology ensures the tool will not clog with peels, making it dishwasher safe and simple to maintain. At number 10, we have the Ultra Cuisine Cooling and Baking Rack Set. Each set includes 2 cooling racks designed to fit perfectly within half-sheet baking pans, boasting strong, heavy-duty wire grids with small holes, smooth no-snag edges, and a generous 1-inch height. They are oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to confidently use them for roasting, baking, grilling, smoking, drying, and barbecue. The high heat tolerance and durable design make these racks versatile and reliable for various cooking tasks. Next is the Liebe & Lecker Food Processor. Equipped with a robust 350-watt motor and 4 stainless steel blades, it simplifies the process of chopping, blending, mincing, and pureeing ingredients, accomplishing tasks in just seconds. The design features a user-friendly 2-speed mode, allowing users to choose between high or low speeds based on their needs. Simply pressing the button activates the processor, eliminating the hours typically spent chopping ingredients by hand. Moving on to the Dream Farm Nokutu Mandoline Slicer. The slicer's 2-in-1 non-slip rubber foot is ingeniously designed to fold out for added safety and control while cutting on flat surfaces. The razor-sharp Japanese stainless steel blade offers adjustable thickness settings, catering to slices of 1mm, 2mm, and 3mm, and locks securely closed for safe storage. Its standout feature is a flexible finger guard that runs along inbuilt tracks to prevent slipping, ensuring safe slicing down to the last piece. Up next is the Bear Electric Food Steamer. It's perfect for steaming a wide variety of foods, including rice, ribs, vegetables, chicken, fish, and other meats. The versatility doesn't stop there. The bottom pot can be used to make a delicious hot pot or for simple cooking recipes. It comes with 3 adjustable power levels, catering to different cooking needs. Whether you're gently warming food or cooking it to perfection, you can set the power to 400 watts for low, 800 watts for medium, or 1200 watts for high. This flexibility allows careful control over cooking or keeping food warm. Next, meet Jet Kong Kitchen Tweezers. Whether you're cooking, roasting, or grabbing small objects, these tweezers deliver optimal performance. Their long length provides extra reach and precision, making them ideal for various tasks. With a focus on user comfort, these tweezers feature a handle that provides a secure and comfortable grip, minimizing strain during extended use. The long design of the tweezers offers protection, keeping your hands safe from heat and steam when cooking. At number 15, we have the Gorilla Grip Meat Chopper, designed to make chopping and mashing tasks more efficient and precise. Featuring a unique 5-blade pinwheel design, this chopper boasts heavy-duty blades with beveled edges that allow for faster and more precise chopping, crumbling, and mashing. This tool is specifically engineered to chop through meat with ease, providing precision that is unmatched by traditional spatulas or other kitchen tools. This chopper is not just limited to meat. It also excels at mashing potatoes, crushing tomatoes, scrambling eggs, mixing sauces, and more. Next is the Kitchen in the Box Hand Mixer. Weighing just 2.54 pounds, this cordless mixer is perfect for outdoor picnics or kitchens with limited space, giving you the freedom to move and mix without being tethered to an outlet. Its innovative design allows it to stand upright on its base, preventing messes and keeping your countertop clean. It comes with a top-quality attachment set that includes 2 beaters and 2 whisks. The stainless steel turbo beaters incorporate air into the batter quickly, ensuring thorough mixing for light and fluffy baked goods. These attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and efficient. Next, meet the New Star Measuring Cups and Spoons set. The set includes stainless steel measuring cups in sizes 1 cup, 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup, and 1/4 cup, as well as measuring spoons in sizes 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. One of the standout features of the set is its V-shaped spout, which allows for easy liquid pouring while preventing spills on your kitchen countertop. This feature helps maintain a tidy and efficient cooking environment, eliminating the hassle of cleaning up unnecessary messes. Moving on to the Teifer InstaProbe meat thermometer. It stands out as the fastest meat thermometer in its class, delivering readings in under 0.6 seconds. This rapid response time eliminates the unnerving wait and uncertainty often associated with food thermometers, allowing you to confidently cook meat to perfection. The vibrant OLED display with large fonts ensures legibility, making it a user-friendly tool that enhances your cooking experience. Its sophisticated design and intuitive features make it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. Moving on to the Goobird stainless steel mixing bowls for mixing ingredients, preparing meals, and even storing leftovers, thanks to their airtight lids that keep contents fresh. Whether you're crafting a gourmet feast or simply organizing your pantry, these bowls adapt to any need with ease. The set includes 4 bowls of varying sizes, 1.1, 1.6, 2.9, and a generous 6.1 quarts, each crafted from premium stainless steel for durability. Additionally, the set includes a 9 quarts colander bowl, perfect for rinsing fruits and vegetables and draining pasta, which adds functionality and convenience to your kitchen tasks. At number 20, we have the Lineroso French fry cutter. It features 4 interchangeable blades, including 2 dicer and 2 wedge blades, making it perfect for preparing evenly cut French fries or slicing vegetables like carrots and zucchini. Constructed from high-quality BPA-free ABS plastic, this durable device comes with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, suitable for chopping or dicing even the toughest vegetables. It not only speeds up meal preparation, but ensures precision and safety with its innovative design. Next is the Big Owl Silicone Splatter Screen, an essential accessory for any kitchen, protecting against oil splatters while cooking. Made from food-grade silicone, this splatter screen is BPA-free and safe for use on frying pans ranging from 10 to 12 inches in diameter. Its flexible design allows for easy addition of ingredients without lifting the screen, thus maintaining heat and reducing mess. Multifunctional, it also serves as a trivet mat to protect kitchen surfaces from hot pots and pans. Up next is the Home Hero 54 pieces stainless steel kitchen utensils set. This extensive set includes everything from spatulas to potato peelers, measuring spoons, and cups, ensuring you have the right tool for every cooking task. Each utensil is crafted from high-quality stainless steel and silicone, ensuring durability and resistance to the wear and tear of daily cooking. The set's design focuses on reliability, withstanding high temperatures and resisting melting, unlike many cheaper alternatives. Next, meet the Siphone Hot Plate Gripper, designed to handle hot dishes, plates, and cookware with ease and safety. Available in 3 different types, these heat-resistant tools are perfect for moving items from the stove or oven, ensuring you never have to worry about burns or spills. Whether you're transferring a hot dish to the table or adjusting plates on a crowded stove, these grippers provide the stability and strength needed for everyday cooking tasks. Easy to clean and maintain, they offer a simple yet effective solution for handling hot cookware, enhancing efficiency in your kitchen. Next, we have the Smile Mom Salad Spinner, perfect for washing and drying salad greens, herbs, and vegetables. Its transparent design allows you to see every drop of water removed, making it easy to ensure your ingredients are dry and ready for use. With a spacious 6.3 quart bowl and a 5 quart colander, you can prepare large batches of salad for family gatherings or meal prep. The non-slip base ensures stability during use, while its foldable lid saves space in the kitchen. At number 25, we have the Joyeldelf Heavy Potato Masher, designed specifically to make the mashing process easier and more effective. Made with a robust stainless steel mashing plate, it effortlessly breaks down even the toughest potatoes, ensuring a smooth and consistent texture every time. The tool features a solid rubber handle, providing a comfortable grip that makes mashing not only easy, but also pain-free. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to mash large quantities of potatoes without discomfort. Next is the CCKO Glass Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. It allows you to efficiently store and pour a variety of liquids, such as salad dressings, soy sauce, or olive oil. The dispenser's spout is equipped with a stainless steel auto-flip mechanism, which prevents drips and reduces oil consumption, promoting a healthier lifestyle. With its wide mouth, the bottle is easy to clean and refill. No funnel is needed. Measuring scales on the side further enhances its convenience by allowing precise measurement of liquids, thus ensuring you use just the right amount every time. Up next is the Silicone finger guards for cutting food. Made from high-quality, high-carbon stainless steel, these finger guards offer superior protection against sharp knives, preventing any accidental cuts while you slice fruits, vegetables, or meats. The guard's edges are smooth, preventing any scratches on your fingers, and its robust design ensures it won't deform over time. It features a circular ring that can be adjusted to fit different finger sizes, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit during use. Next is the Secura electric coffee grinder, designed to meet all your kitchen grinding needs. It's perfect for grinding coffee beans, spices, herbs, nuts, and even grains, making it a multi-use tool that can replace several other appliances. The grinder comes with 2 removable bowls, one for coffee and another for spices, ensuring that flavors don't mix and cleanup is a breeze. Its user-friendly press operation allows you to achieve the perfect grind consistency with ease, whether you prefer it coarse or fine. Next, meet the Big Fit dough scraper set. It provides clean cuts for a variety of ingredients, making it perfect for chopping fruits and vegetables and slicing bread or pastry. Its design includes both curved and straight edges, which conform to the inside of bowls, making it ideal for scraping flour, dough, or batter. Additionally, the bench scraper is marked with measurement markings and a conversion chart using advanced laser-engraved technology, allowing for precise measuring, making this set not only functional, but also versatile in the kitchen. At number 30, we have the multifunctional onion holder for slicing. It features a unique design with 10 stainless steel prongs under the handle, ensuring a firm grip and preventing any slippage during slicing. This tool is not limited to onions alone. It can be used for various fruits, vegetables, and even meats. Its sturdy construction and sharp prongs allow for even and precise slicing, saving you time and effort. The holder also aids in keeping your hands odor-free, as you don't have to touch the food directly. It allows for quick and uniform cuts every time. That's a wrap on 30 Amazon cooking gadgets that are selling like crazy. Which one do you need in your kitchen right now? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest and greatest Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.